Alright guys, so we're going to start tearing apart this truck. I'm going to start with taking off the intake, which as we all know is like one bolt. Taking off the harness, and this one probably go by a little faster, so check back in with you guys in a bit. So as you guys can tell, I was very broke when I had this truck. This is all water. I couldn't afford a coolant when I had this truck, man. That's why I sold it to pay for college. Now you guys can see how broke I actually was, man. Crazy thing, I was just 4 years ago, man. I'm still broke, but you know, I can afford coolant now, so that's good. Alright guys, we're in night mode, so you guys can check out these awesome welds on my air to fuel ratio little thing. As you can tell, I had the cats off at one point when it was supercharged. Had to weld them back on to sell it. And there's the manual trans, which needs to be replaced with the T56 at some point.
Now?
Now, yeah, I agree. My wallet does not, however. I'm not Ray Baller. I'm just Ray. Well guys, now basically midnight, and the trans is unbolted. Did this pretty quick. Manifolds are unbolted from the white pipe. Just gotta take that off. We took off the electric fans. It's almost ready to pull out, but dinner time. $5.99 each. Good deal. 2 pizzas, some wings, ranch. Time to get fat, but you know, we need the energy. I'm starving, man. Yeah. I is dead. Alright guys, as you know, we're gonna install headers along with 6 liter. Stock mid pipe. We gotta bring down the cross member a little bit. Gonna go night mode again. Bring down the cross member a little bit. Brought down the trans so we can get the top bolt up there. Motor's basically ready to come out. Yeah. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna take the motor out right now. Well, the hood's off, and time to pull out the motor. Eddie Baller. You. Eddie Baller. Here's the hood. Actually,
let me go bring out my book right now. Over. Yep. Dude, that's a huge oil.
Yeah.
Why? I don't know. You just don't have to spray it even more?
It's a GM PT, that's the stock oil. 1, 2, 5, 7, 7, 3, 9, 6. It's the same oil pan.
How?
It's the same partner.
You know how hard it was to get up? That's where it was hitting. Look at it, you can see where it's hitting. What's that?
Yep.
I want to do that. Okay. Good. Go in a little bit? Hold on. Okay. Bring it down, sir. Or more this way, no? I'm put more. Bring it in. Bring it in. Yeah, I don't want that high. I don't want that close to the car either.
I was kind of scared. I was like, oh,
alright. Later. Where's that going?
True.
What's he leaving on?
What's that?
I said, what's he gonna leave on?
I don't know. I thought you started walking home.
Yeah, I don't know. He was asleep a while ago.
yeah, dude, I took a nap.
Bro.
He took a nap and he had to call me.
I got some stories for you guys right now, man.
Let's hear him.
Cheese man.
Big time, bro. People almost got arrested. Oh my god.
Cheese man.
Big time. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Alright, man. Cool.
Bye.
Later.
Cheese bonsa.
Dude, I can't believe this guy left us to go party.
I know.
And now he's got stories for us. Oh my god.
No, he's coming back. Coming back. His car's gonna be all messed up.
I'll make him drive me home, dude.
He'll come back to say hi.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna take off the factory manifolds so we can put the headers in. So,
He's only doing this for the video.
I'm not only doing this for the video because you should be swapping the clutch for the wait, I have really bad aim right now. For the the flywheel for the torque converter.
He's tired.
So are you.
Yeah.
It's 2 a.m. by the way, guys.
This is the most work I've done
Ever.
all year.
Is Eddie Baller gonna mess up the pilot bearing?
Yes. I am.
Well, it looks like we're not gonna have a motor. Oh! That was scary. As you can see, there's no pilot bearing on this one because it was an automatic. The trader has returned. How are those wings, dude? They come
Good,
out,
bro.
straight come out with like the fork going savage.
Bro.
Whoa, street racing? That's illegal, Josh.
$2,600? No, that's a 01.
$2,600?
Yes. It's a Hemi.
That's it? Like the side, right?
The gray one. That's Team Homicide.
Putting the clutch in on the 6.0. Of course, Eddie Baller is doing it. Using the OEM bearing because AutoZone and O'Reilly don't believe in stocking parts. We got Ricky over here from JB Storage. 4.8's in the white truck now. It's slow, so if you guys see it on the street, make sure to race it. You'll definitely win.
Then you got head up with my vet.
Yeah, and then you got head up with his vet, who is actually in the storage unit right now. Does not run, so.
My bike.
Your bike.
I'm taking care of it, don't worry.
Yeah, the bike. What is it, like a R1?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Are those fast?
I
mean, they lose to Josh, they can't be that fast.
Watch that there. Watch that there.
That's it.
Fucking made a mess, dude, yesterday. Which way do we gotta go? Is that straight? Yeah. Coming in? Yeah. There it is. Perfect. Push it.
Alright guys, time to finish this up. All we gotta do on the red truck is gotta put in the headers, starter, and change the oil. You can see we got the headers over here. Passenger side shouldn't be bad. I don't know about the driver's side, but that's why we have baby Josh over here. Yeah. We'll knock this out. Alright, so this header on this side is done. All nice and tightened up. Had to take off the spark plugs on this side. You can see I took the last 3. They were getting in the way of the header, so gonna lift it back up and hopefully get that header on. We'll tighten it up and finish the underside hopefully. Well guys, now we're on our way back home so I can get ready for work. Yeah, still not done. Headers are in. Kind of having some fitment issues, I guess, for now. Still driving the Civic, and everything's on. Eddie just has to put the grounds on, the AC compressor, small little things. So he'll be done in a couple hours. Neither of us slept, so I'll be stopping by Starbucks. 6 a.m. We've been going hard since about 1. And I'll pick it up today hopefully. Go to the muffler shop about halftime. See you guys later. Bye.